Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to hire a broker for stocks, full guide. Choose a broker based on fees, services, and licensing. Start by defining your goals, risk tolerance, and trading frequency. Compare commissions, platform tools, and research offerings between brokers. Check for clear pricing and hidden costs, and confirm registration with the appropriate regulator. Read recent user reviews and consider customer service quality before opening an account. A good broker-type match saves time and money, so assess options carefully. Full-service brokers offer personalized advice for complex needs and higher fees, while discount brokers suit active traders seeking low commissions. Robo-advisors provide automated portfolios with minimal intervention for hands-off investors. Hybrid models combine digital tools with human advisors and may suit growing portfolios. Match the service level to your goals and budget before committing to an account. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control and smart mapping make maintenance effortless for busy investors. It saves time so you can focus on research and trades. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Use a practical checklist to evaluate finalists and reduce decision anxiety. Open a demo or trial account to test the platform for speed, usability, and order execution quality. Calculate all costs including commissions, spreads, margin interest, and inactivity fees to avoid surprises. Review the broker's research, charts, and educational materials to ensure they match your strategy. Finally, contact customer support to assess responsiveness and problem resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.